Hey guys, today we are in Audi S3 8V and we are going to deal with the automatic start-stop feature over here. So by default, each time you turn on the engine, the start-stop system is active and you have to disable it by pressing the button. There's no memory of this feature, so this means that if I turn the ignition off and turn it back on, it's again active, so we have to disable it each time we turn on the engine. Well, there are a couple of things that you can do. You can use something like OBD11 or VCTS to code it out, but well, this will not work in all vehicles. Some modern vehicles are not ready to code it out. You can disconnect the connector from the battery monitoring module. This is the small module on the negative terminal, and it will disable the start-stop system over here, but it will also cause a fault code somewhere in the ECU related to the power management system. Well, there's a third thing that you can do. You can use something like this. This small module from AliExpress, about $10 US with shipping, will press this button for you. Actually, what it will do. So you will need to install it behind this button panel and hide it under the dashboard. It's plug and play, you don't need to do anything else, and it will come with those trim removal tools, those radio locks which are needed to remove this panel. And I will also use this flat screwdriver. It's useful to disconnect the original connector over here, because, well, those connectors are connected pretty firmly, and using something like this will be a huge help. Okay, so right now let's get it started. So now take the key, flat edge to the outer side. There are two holes, one is over here, one is over here. Position it and push it inside. It should click like so. And the other one over here. Oh, that's not the right spot. Okay. With this out, we can disconnect the red connector and add this module to the wiring. Okay, so now let's use the flat screwdriver. This is the hardest part, I believe, because this connector is connected very firmly and it will take a lot of force to actually disconnect it. Well, okay, it's done. Once we have this button module in our hands, we can remove those keys. So you need to press over here and pull it out. Same over here, pull it out. Let me show you how this lock works. You can see that the key hits here and it clicks in place, and you cannot remove it. You need to press over here to release it afterwards. Okay, so right now let's take the module, let's connect this over here. Okay, and let's connect this over here. Let's push it in place. As I said, this is tight. Okay, you want to make sure that this is connected well, because over here there's a passenger airbag indicator, and well, this is just an LED, but it's actually part of the airbag system. So if this connection is loose, if this LED cannot be controlled by this wiring, you will have an airbag fault on your dashboard. So make sure that everything over here is connected tightly. And now let's install the module inside. There's a hole for the wiring over there. Let's position the panel. There are two grooves that will direct the panel in the right spot, and that's it. We can check if it works. Now start the engine, and after a couple seconds we can see that the system was disabled, and we have this message that the start-stop system is off right now. So it works. You don't have to remember about this button anymore, and installation, as you saw, was pretty easy. Module is about $10 on AliExpress. There's a link in the description below this video. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you soon.